Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us talk this platform called Vectra. This is an airdrop platform on Somnia and it is a prediction market platform. What this means is that it's just a platform for you to make your predictions and you earn token while you do that. So the airdrop is live right now. They have a platform that already has over 100,000 users, and all you have to do is to register using the link in the description of this video, complete predictions on crypto prices in the few days to come, and if you are right, you are going to be earning free token. Now this might be considered betting for a lot of people, but all I want to let you know is that you are not risking any amount from your own pocket. All you have to do is to use the token they have given you to complete predictions, and then once you are successful, once your prediction comes right, you are going to earn more token. I've been on this for some few days now, and as you can see that I have made pretty much a lot of predictions and I have won a lot of them. For example, if I come to the profile, to the history section here, you are going to see completed, which is the ones that I have successfully completed. So from the history section here, you can see that I have completed a lot of them, and all I have to do is to click on claim. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your account and how to place this prediction so that when you're right, you can get a lot of this token. And as you can see that it has up here. All right, so it is very easy to complete and I will show you everything you need to do. First thing you need to do is to click the link in the description of this video. When you do that, and you need to create an account with your email address. All right, so whichever one you want to use, either your Google account, connect your Google, or you can also use your Telegram, or just input your email. So in this case, let me just connect my email address. Authentication successful. We are taking you in. So once you have registered with your email and you have connected in, right, the next thing you're going to do is going to give you some welcome message. Then after that welcome message, you are in. And then for those that are new, the first thing you need to do is that you need to come to your profile section here. When you click on your profile section, you click down, you are going to see link your wallet. All right, so please make sure that you go ahead and link a wallet. For those that have been on Somnia for so long, you should link your Somnia wallet, the same wallet you use on Somnia. Click on it here, then your wallet will pop up, and then you can connect any wallet that you are using, but make sure that it is the same wallet you have been using on Somnia so that everything can be tracked and you can get more reward. Then when you click on this section here, these are places for you to see quests that you can complete. When you come to this place here, the first quest you are going to see is always a daily check-in. So always come here every day to claim your daily check-in. Then all these ones here, you can also claim them. But see, these ones are not kind of not working right now, because when I click on it, it directs me back, but no problem about that. So when you come to that, you can come to social as well to complete some of the quests. I have already completed all of the quests here. So you can simply come here, join them, follow them on Twitter, follow Somnia on Twitter, and like and claim all of that. When you come to partners, there are no quests on partners for now, but later always check on them so that you can always claim those ones. Now let us go to the home section to see the quests that are available. Trending challenges. All you have to do is to predict if this is going to be a yes or no situation and make your choice. Now let us see. First one here is Ethereum closed below $3,300 on December 6th. Tomorrow is December 6th, right? So what is the price of Bitcoin, of Ethereum right now? Do you think it will close below $3,300 or will it be above $3,300? You know what? So let us just open a new section here and check for Ethereum price so that we can see if Ethereum price is something that will be below or above $3,300. So right now, this is the price of Ethereum right now, 3,129, and this is the weekend. The market doesn't really pump on weekends. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is that the Ethereum price is currently below 3,300. all right, so what I'm going to do is that, will Ethereum close below 3,300 on December 6th, which is tomorrow? So my answer is yes, Ethereum is going to close below 3,300, because currently right now it is at 3,100, and this is the weekend. The market is kind of down. I don't expect it to rise and go above 3,300, at least not by tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is that Ethereum will close below $3,300. So I'm going to click on yes for this. Ethereum closed below 3,300 December 6th. Yes. Then how much do you want to bet on this? Remember that when you register, they're going to give you some points, and when you complete some of those tasks, they will give you more points. My total points now is 660, right? So I'm going to bet 20 on this. I'm going to click on confirm, and I have placed my bet on that. Now the next one is Solana. With Solana closed below $144 on December 6th. Let us check the price of Sol. So when I scroll down, where is Sol? Damn, Solana has really fallen. Let me see. Okay, this is Solana on number 7. The price of Solana right now is $136, right? 136.90. And like I've said, the general market condition is down. So do you expect Solana to pump before tomorrow and cross $144? My answer to that is no. Personally, I do not expect Solana to pump above 144. So I say Solana will close below 144 by December 6th. I'll go on yes. I'll put it on 20 and I will confirm. That is for Solana. Now, the next one is will Solana close above 144 December 4? So, do you expect Solana to pump and go above 144 December 4? I'll choose no for that. I don't think Solana will go above 144. I will choose 20. You can choose any amount, I think from 10 upward. So I'm going to click on confirm. All right. The next one is Bitcoin closed below $94,000 on December 6th. On December 6th, right? Price of Bitcoin right now is how much? When you check the price of Bitcoin, you're going to see that Bitcoin is currently $91,000. Do you think Bitcoin will remain below $94,000? So I'm going to come here. My answer remains yes, Bitcoin will close below $94,000 by December 6th. So I'm going to click on yes. I'm going to choose the amount of token that I want to wager on, which is 20. And when I win this, if I win this, my price, I'm going to win additional 20, because anything you win, they will double your amount that you wagered. All right. So I'm going to click on confirm for Bitcoin to close below $94,000, which is yes is my answer. I'm going to click on confirm. Now, next one, Bitcoin to close above $94,000 December 6th. So, although Bitcoin has been very crazy these days because it might just pump up, and sometimes they add $5,000 within 24 hours. So, I'm still going to go with no for this. I don't think Bitcoin will close above $94,000 by tomorrow, which is December 6th. So, I'm going to click on no. All right, no, Bitcoin won't close above $94,000. I'm going to put that on 20 and I'm going to confirm. All right, so it goes on and on. So there are so many more to go. Ethereum closed below $3,300. Will Ethereum close below $3,300 by December 6th? So you also notice that the time of closing for this is going to close by December 6th. The closing on when they will determine the result is December 6th at 6:51 a.m. early in the morning by 6:51 a.m. And you can also wait till maybe around 5 a.m. in the morning to place all these bets and get your reward, because that time it will be very easy to determine if it will click or not. All right, because there will be just few hours left. So Ethereum to close below $3,300 December 6th. I'm going with my yes. I'm putting it on 20 and I'm going to confirm this. And Ethereum to close above 3,300 by December 6th. For Ethereum to close above 3,300, it means that it needs to move from 3,100 and pump about $200 and go above 3,300. I'm going to go with no for that. I don't think Ethereum will close above 3,300. I'll click on no. I'll add my wager to 20 and I'm going to click on confirm. All right. So for you that just registered right now, there are some predictions that you're also going to be seeing. For example, with Katy Perry and Justin Bieber be engaged this year. If it is something you are knowledgeable about, you can bet on it. So for this particular things here, I think my answer will be no, and I'm going to go with 20. I'm going to go with 20 so that I can wager 30. And then this thing is going to close by December 30. And I don't even know much about Katy Perry and Justin Bieber. I don't know about their relationship or stuff like that. So I'm just going to place this bet and click on confirm. And then will Fallout 3 remaster be announced this year? this year is almost over, and any company that has not announced most of this is will probably not announce it anymore. So I'm just going to click on no for that. All right, so that is it. Now there's one that you are going to be seeing when you register on this. All right, when you register on this, there's one that you're going to be seeing, and the question is about MetaMask. Will MetaMask launch their token this year? And I think that you should choose no for that. All right, when you see that question that says will MetaMask launch their token this year, I think you should choose no, because at this point I don't think MetaMask will launch their token this year. So right now I am done with all of these challenges completed. That's all, folks. Just back tomorrow for new predictions. So you can view your history, you can go to Quest. At the end of the day, when you want to check if you won or not, just come to history, and from history you can click on completed, and on this page here you are going to see the ones you won and the ones you lost. So you can see that yesterday, the one of yesterday sold to close below 146. I choose yes, that it will close below 146, and I won 20 points. And then for it to close above 146, I chose no, and I still won. I have won a lot of this. All right, if you check my history here, you can see that I have won 14 and I have lost 7. All right, I've actually lost just 5, but I don't know why they count it as 7, but that is not the problem for now. So all you have to do is to follow everything I've shown in this video. Register. Don't forget to follow them on Twitter, and follow Somnia on Twitter so that you can always get updates. Now, if you need me to always drop my predictions so that you can follow me exactly, then you might want to join my Telegram channel so that I can be dropping my daily predictions there, so that we can all follow and earn more points. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this with your friends. Thank you, guys, and bye for now.